Question 13. A round table cover has a 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 centimeter square. Use root 3 is equal to 1.7. Area of segment ABM is equal to area of sector OAMB minus area of triangle OAB is equal to pi r square theta divided by 360 degree minus half r square sin theta. Pi r square theta divided by 360 degree is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 28 into 28 into 60 divided by 360 degree. Six is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 28 into 28 into 1 divided by 6. Is equal to 22 into 28 into 4 into 1 divided by 6 equal to divided by 3 centimeter square. Area of triangle OAB is equal to half r square sin theta is equal to half into 28 into 28 into sin 60 degree is equal to half into 28 into 28 into sin 60 का वैल्यू होता है √3 divided by 2 1/2 into 28 into 28 into 1.7 divided by 1.7 divided by 2 is equal to 333.2 centimeter square. Area of segment ABM area of segment A B M is equal to divided by 3 minus 333.2 is equal to 410.6 minus 333.2 is equal to 77.46 centimeter square. Therefore, area of 6 design. Therefore, area of 6 designs is equal to 6 into 77.46 for 6. Cost of making cost of making 1 centimeter square design is equal to rupees 0.35. Cost of making cost of making 464.8 centimeter square 464.8 centimeter square design is equal to rupees 0.35 into 464.8 is equal to rupees 162.68. Answer. Question number 14. करेक्ट आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है। 4 ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है। एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर को फाइंड आउट करना है। गिवन है थीटा इज इक्वल टू पी डिग्री and radius is equal to r. We know that area of sector is equal to pi r square theta divided by 360 degree is equal to पाई आर स्क्वायर इंटू पी डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाई 360 डिग्री। करेक्ट आंसर इज डी। डी को हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो यह आ जाएगा पाई आर स्क्वायर पी डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाई 360 डिग्री। करेक्ट आंसर इज डी।